Hi, today for the DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Here you'll see media, call, ring and notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on the volume panels by this way. Here, if you want to activate or turn off the Don't Disturb mode, just click on this button to allow the SMS messages, calls, notifications from any people apps. You could do it here to set the schedule, the start and the end time, to activate duration for quick settings, to change it, and to display options for hidden notifications. Here we can change the ringtone sound from Sim 1 or to Sim 2 to pin media player and to show media recommendations, to use vibration for calls, never, always, first then ring gradually. Let's go back to use the shortcut for private ringing, to change notification and alarm sounds, and here to activate or turn off the dial pad sounds, grid lock, unlock sounds, sounds and vibration for charging, touch sounds and the touch vibrations. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.